Immediately obvious, but each of these impressive buildings has something in common with the others.
It's an advanced textured coating. It's so resilient, the makers have guaranteed it'll still be doing its job and looking like this when we're celebrating the arrival of the 21st century. And I'll tell you a story.
This is called spalling. The surface of the bricks has flaked away and left the porous material inside open to the weather. It absorbs water, which can freeze and expand, causing yet more damage. And between bricks, the pointing becomes loose and falls out, which of course lets even more moisture in. The smooth render, which forms a plinth around the base of the house, is also faulty. There are dozens of cracks. And in some places, there's a growth of algae on the surface, discoloring it and, incidentally, showing that the render is damp. Because render is not flexible, it'll crack when it's heated. The same thing happens when cold makes it contract. The tiny fractures created let in water, which gets behind the render and can freeze. This forces the render away from the wall and expands the cracks, letting in more water to add to the damage. And, worryingly, all this can happen virtually invisibly, leaving apparently sound surfaces which, in fact, are only barely attached to the brickwork underneath. Pebble dash, essentially render with pebbles applied to it, is even more vulnerable. Here it too has cracks which range from several inches to several feet in length. And the surface is uneven in a number of places where the pebble dash has been repaired with a sand and cement mix, leaving a different texture. Here, where pipes have been installed, there are unsightly repairs and gaps. And when the surface is tapped with a small hammer, the difference in sound tells us that in some places there are hollows underneath. What happens here is that the pebbles become loose and fall out, leaving sizable pits in the surface, into which, of course, water finds its way, with disastrous results when it freezes. And, of course, because the pebbles are set in the same material as render, heat and cold have the same damaging effect. Here's a local authority property which has recently been purchased by its former tenants, and they're going to give it a facelift, which it badly needs.
And it's much more economic to deal with all the other faults at the same time.
Over 1 million litres of coating are produced here each year in a wide range of colours.